Oh, smoke and sound. These are things you might need right now just to help you cleanse your aura, cleanse all the stuff that's going on right now. I really want to just take a little time to check in with you guys. There's lots of tutorials already on my website, antiviral remedies, all that stuff. But I want you to take, oops, a little pause. Cannot begin to emphasize how much we need to connect right now to the earth, to ourselves. I don't know how many times you guys have seen me do this, but I really just need to keep doing it. Sage helps take about 94% of the impurities out of the air. Sound. A moment of peace. If you have any of these elements in your life that you can use to take a sacred pause, please do that at this time. I'm available for anything you need right now. Feel free to reach me at majestichudson@gmail.com, majestichudson.com. I have all sorts of sage incense, my good vibes spray, clean buzz, hand sanitizer, and I will very soon introduce you to my new crystal healing room right here on High Street. I've brought all my crystals home to use them to channel and intuit and amplify as much healing as I can for myself, my family, and all of you guys who are my family. I found a crystal that I had, and I'll bring this up another time when we do the session, but this is actually a self-healing quartz point infused with aquamarine and black tourmaline. And when I see this double-faceted self-healing quartz, I think about everything that's going on right now in the world. This is what we're going to do. We're going to self-heal. So hang in there, guys. Feel free to put any appropriate comments below. This is not a time, this is a time to connect. This is not a time for extra political stuff. This is not a time, this is a time for abundance, and this is a time for love and connection. So namaste, hang in there, and be in touch. All right? Take care. Bye-bye.